What is going on, everybody? Yvonne here. Whether you guys are just starting out or you already have a growing business, finding the right team members can kind of make or break your guys' operation. So to fix that, today we're going to be covering two platforms that are really known for their hiring capabilities, JBoard and Upwork. Both of these platforms are really powerful and they have a ton of features to find right people for you guys' business. I'm going to break down each platform side by side and we're going to be covering their features, pricing, and use case scenarios to see exactly which one is going to be right fit for you. So let's go ahead and kick off with Upwork. And if you guys do want to check out either of the platforms for yourself, follow the link down in the description as it's going to give you guys a free trial of the platform. So once you guys click on the link, let's go ahead and click sign up here. And we're going to be a client that's hiring for a project. So let's go ahead and check off this bark and let's get started. Let's go ahead and enter you guys' first and last name as well as the email that you guys want to use. Alrighty, let's go ahead and set you guys' password, the country, and let's go ahead and agree to the terms of service and let's create our account. We'll go ahead and create our own. And alrighty, our account has been created. So it's going to ask us a couple questions regarding our business, and that way it's going to be a little easier for Upwork to set up our profile. So it's going to be just us for now. That's going to be our website, dreamersmedia.io, and Yvonne Barzenko is going to be my name. Again, on these, make sure to put your own information. I'm just putting this for example reasons. Let's go ahead and press continue, and boom, we're going to be ready to go. This is going to be the overall interface behind Upwork. Now, once we're ready to post a job, all we got to do is press right over here. And the cool part about Upwork is that it has a ton of AI features built into it. So let's go ahead and actually use AI to create our first job post. And in this example, we want someone that's going to be in charge of our digital marketing. Someone in charge of digital marketing for swimming supplies. I'm just talking about swimming supplies because I was a swimmer my whole life. Let's go ahead and press continue. We're going to have an hourly rate that ranges from $8 an hour to $800. So it's going to be a pretty wide gap here. Let's go ahead and press continue. All right, now, as you guys see, AI has actually done a pretty good job with kind of writing the general description for us already. And of course, all these things we can go ahead and edit to our liking. So let's go ahead and scroll down here. As we can see, there's going to be the different skills that are attached here, right? Those are the different tags that we can actually filter within Upwork. There's going to be the scope that we're looking for, location, right? The budget of the project. And we can actually also add screening questions as well, which I highly recommend. And once we're all happy with that, let's go ahead and press continue. Now it's going to ask you guys to verify both your email and your phone number. So let's go ahead and do that before you guys actually post that job. Let's go ahead and verify our phone number here. And boom, from here, you guys can actually go ahead and add the billing method, but you guys can also do it later. So go ahead and skip that part. Now, as you guys see, there's already some candidates that we can go ahead and invite to the interview, but I'll go ahead and just skip that part just for example purposes. But if I were you and I was actually looking for someone, just go ahead and go through these candidates one by one, see exactly what they have to offer and if they're going to be a good addition for you guys' team. Once you guys click on any candidate, you can see their name, right? How many total jobs they had, total hours, a brief description, stuff like that. And there's other work history examples and different reviews that they got. All the information regarding that specific individual is going to be here on the left hand side with the languages they speak, the licenses they hold, and the education that they have. And again, all these things on the left hand side here can differ person to person. So it's kind of up to you guys to kind of go through each person and see exactly what you guys are looking for. So let's go ahead and exit out of here. Let's press skip here. And now to complete the profile, let's just go ahead and put aerospace as our industry here. And it's going to be just us. Press continue, but you can just go ahead and skip. And boom, just like that, you guys are going to be ready to get you guys' first hire. And before we get further, I'm going to go ahead and remove this posting to make sure that no one thinks it's real. So let's go ahead and scroll down here, remove posting, and we're going to be ready to go. Now let's go ahead and see what other features are available here. As you guys heard, there's a ton that's built into the Upwork platform. Once we go to the jobs here, there's going to be different things like dashboards, job posts, all contracts, stuff like that. So with the platform, it's made for really scaling businesses because you can pretty much host all your guys' job needs in one place. And once you guys are looking through candidates, there's so many out there just because Upwork is so huge, which is a really good thing because there's going to be a lot of options. Like as you guys see right over here, once we get a talent, there's going to be multiple options here for us, like discover, your hires, company hires, recently reviewed, stuff like that. I'm not going to go over every single feature in this video. However, just know that Upwork is a really popular platform. A lot of people know about it. So it's going to be really easy to find top quality talent. And from the managerial perspective, there's going to be a ton to offer. So when we go to the reports, there's going to be weekly summaries, transactions, budgets, timesheets, different stuff like that to make sure that nothing slips through the cracks. This is going to be quite crucial once we start hiring more than one person to make sure that we're keeping tabs on everything. And the scalability of the system is one of the biggest advantages that it has in the market. Not only does the platform have a lot of tools built into it, but it also has a ton of integrations as well. It's highly well known, and the best part about it is that you guys only need to pay once you guys are actually satisfied with the work you guys receive. Now, the biggest con of the platform can be surrounding its fees to both you and the client. So whenever you guys want to hire someone, there could be pretty large fees associated with it. And in addition to that, each time you actually pay someone, they also get a fee on top of that. So there's fees coming from both direction, which can be a lot, especially if you're a small business. However, if you guys are looking for a place that has just an abundant amount of talent, you guys are in the right place here. There's so many freelancers on the platform. So if budget is not the biggest concern here, this is going to be the solution for you. But now let's go ahead and and jump into JBoard and see exactly how it compares. So through the link in the description, once you guys click on it, all we got to do is just press start free trial right over here. Our JBoard name is going to be Yvonne. Company name is going to be independent job board business. Size 0 to 1. My name, password, and password. Okay, let's go ahead and accept the terms here. Press sign up and continue. Alrighty, now as you guys see, there's going to be 3 different plans available for us: the light, the standard, and the advanced. The good part about it is that you guys are receiving a free trial if you've used the link, so there's no need to commit right away. However, after that free trial, you do need to proceed with one of the plans here. For most of you guys that are watching this video, I think the light plan has everything you guys need if you're looking to post those jobs and make sure you find the right candidates for it. However, as we scale and we kind of need to post more and more jobs, and there's going to be a lot more people involved, that way we can actually scale those plans as well. So let's go ahead and start with the light version here. Alrighty, now we're in the system. Now the best part about JBoard right off the bat is how customizable it is. As you guys see right over here, once we press on customize appearance, this mini website of ours with the logo here and all the different job categories we can actually edit, we can go ahead and modify it to really make it our own. That way, if you guys are trying to post more than one job, everything can live in one centralized place and it looks really professional. As you guys see here, if we press add section, everything is drag and drop and it's really easy to use, and it works just like every other drag and drop builder. You can go ahead and modify the styles, so there's no need to really worry about it. Let's go ahead and go back to our dashboard here. But if you guys do want to access your guys' dashboard and want to see how your guys' job post looks like, all we got to do is just press your guys' name right over here, or your guys' business name, and see all of your guys' jobs by categories here. And again, all of these guys are kind of like placeholders here, right? But you can really make them your own inside of the system. So for example, if we click on Slack here, we can see that all the jobs when it comes to Slack are going to be software engineer, manager, software engineering, stuff like that. We can go ahead and modify them on the back end of our platform. But the point I'm trying to make here is that everything is in one centralized place and it looks really clean. What JBoard is going for, and the reason why you guys are paying that monthly subscription, is that the entire experience feels very customized, personalized, and it feels really easy to use. So if you guys are trying to post a lot of jobs, this is going to be a no-brainer solution. Now let's go here and actually post a job. Our company name is going to be Test Company. It's going to be myfirstwebsite.com, and our name is going to be Ivan Brzenko with the password. Alrighty, job title is going to be marketer. Job title is full-time. Category engineering, right? Of course, like you can go ahead and modify these however you guys like. Location is going to be remote. 3D math, descriptions, competitions, right? You guys can go ahead and modify these however you guys would like. Awesome. Now once we have all this information, all we got to do is just press next. And in order for us to complete posted, we do need to connect it to Stripe. So I'll go ahead and do that on the back end here when setting up your guys' account. But as you guys see, there's a lot to the platform. It's highly personalized. And even if I go to the update category section right over here, there are going to be so many different categories, and we kind of saw them whenever we were working on that job posting, and we can go ahead and modify them depending on the job we're actually posting. And keep in mind, you guys can also create a job from here, right from the main dashboard. All we got to do is just press add job, and all the different fields that we went through already are going to be right over here as well. But again, this platform is going to be completely different from Upwork just because of how many custom features it has. The main goal of the platform is to take places like LinkedIn and Indeed, put them into one place and customize the whole experience, right? With the looks, the jobs posts, and different stuff like that. You guys can also even host your guys' own blog within the platform. All we got to do is just press add post here, and we can go ahead and host our own blog in one platform, and that way it helps with our own SEO. This can be really useful for people actually finding us, and whenever you guys grow with the platform, so will your audience. So as we mentioned, one of the biggest strengths of JBoard is the fact that finding those niche jobs can be really easy with the actual platform because we can actually do it all within one place. With places like Upwork, it may be better suited if we're looking for a marketer or salesperson, right? Something that's going to be very generic. However, if we want to really customize the exact person we're looking for, we can easily do that within JBoard. And if you guys do want to try out the platforms for yourself, the links for both of them are going to be in the description. Both the platforms have a ton to offer, but at the same time, it's crazy how different they are. And if you guys want to learn more, on this channel, we make videos about starting and growing your guys' business, and hiring is going to be a huge part of that. So if you guys did get some value out of this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Till next time, peace.